So a few weeks back, I was rummaging through some old boxes and I stumbled on this old PSP that I used to play with as a kid. I was shocked to see how good of a condition this thing was in. I tried to turn it on, but nothing really happened.
Wow.
I figured it was just the 15-year-old battery. So I went online to order a new one, but I got a little bit distracted. I started looking through all these lists of cool, rare games to play on this thing, and there was actually one that caught my eye. And I know what you're thinking, there's no way this guy is about to buy this 15-year-old game about raising a virtual pet. And you're right, I don't really care about that. But what is interesting is that this game comes with a PSP camera that you can mount to the top of it. So I decided to buy that new battery and also the game to get the camera, mounted it to my PSP, and was stoked to find out that I could take pictures with this thing. I decided to go on a little photo shoot to show you what this thing is capable of. So I took my Sony mirrorless camera with me on this photo adventure just to compare the photo quality with the PSP. And as you can see from the pictures here, it's obvious that the PSP camera is not really viable for photography in 2024, but I kind of expected that. However, I was curious to test the video capabilities of the PSP camera. So I set up some lights and filmed my friend Gideon working on his next painting. And while I wasn't a fan of the photo capabilities, I was pleasantly surprised to see how unique the video footage looked during playback. In a controlled environment, the footage gives off this home video vibe that's a little bit different from the DV tape trends that I see on social media. When used for video purposes, the PSP becomes this pocket-sized camcorder with good battery life and decent audio capture. It even has a 1.4x zoom. I was interested to push this test even further, so I messed around with some AI upscaling software to see if I could increase the image quality of both the photos and the videos. I won't go in depth on the specifics of this process, but if it's something you're interested in learning about, leave me a comment down below and I'll definitely make a video about it. Here's some examples of both photos and video footage from the PSP before and after the upscale. I'm honestly indifferent about the upscale quality. I think it works well for the photos, but I don't really like the painterly look when it's applied to the videos. I'm hoping this will get better in the future. And with that said, thank you so much for watching. Leave a thumbs up down below if you've enjoyed, and subscribe for more videos like this. See ya!